Now that we've reviewed our documents, let's take a look at how to download them. From the Site Details page, you will be able to access and download available documents using the blue bar along the top right of the screen. Completed documents become available to download from the Download Docs drop-down button. Incomplete documents are grayed out and are not available for download. To download your documents, open the drop-down list and select the desired documents. All documents, including a project status report, may be combined and downloaded into a single PDF by checking the appropriate boxes. Select your documents, then click Download. You can now access the PDF version of your completed document. In addition to downloading your completed documents, you may also send a copy to an email of your choice directly from the Cheers Registry. To send a document, click the blue Send Docs button from the blue bar along the top right of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select the group of documents you'd like to send. Project members will be listed as pre-populated recipients. If you would like to send documents to someone not listed, you can enter the email address manually. Before sending, you may add an additional message. When you're ready, click Send, and the recipients will receive a PDF attachment of the documents. Click the blue Continue button below this video to proceed with the tutorial.